I'm going to show you how to disassemble your mixing cartridge, because this is the thing that will need to be cleaned out. So we loosen the nut here, and then you carefully remove this without twisting it sideways. These are still a little bit sharp. We went ahead and dulled them a little bit so they don't cut the seal easily. This is a bearing. It's a 1/4 inch by 5/8 of an inch. That's also called an FR4, and that stands for flanged R4. You can buy these from McMaster Car if you need to. And then there, it comes off that way. This collar sets the depth for how deep this goes. So we do that because we don't want actually cutting the bottom of the inside here. So we take it all the way down and bring it back a few thousandths of an inch and then lock this in place with a set screw. And this part right here is just a piece of rubber, and that goes into the Lovejoy coupling, which you see right here when we actually install it. Okay, we'll see that in a minute. Now, the next thing is we need to get this black spacer out of here. So this is an M8 screw. We screw it in a couple of threads, just with finger, and then we pull it and out it comes. Inside, what you see right here, that's the magic seal. And that magic seal allows the shaft to turn, but still keep a seal. So we get precision ground carbide or stainless steel, and we put this in here, and you can see it makes a perfect seal. So the shaft is spinning on that, and it keeps from leaking. All right, those seals we bought, and they are made by, we got them from Zorro, but they're really made by usasealing.com, and there's your part number. Okay. All right, so that is this disassembled. Now what you can do, if you need to, you can take the stainless steel fittings off. You'll see each one of these has a captured O-ring inside. That makes a good seal. And we recommend flushing or soaking and flushing this whole system out. The tip here uses any of your 6mm standard nozzles. So I'm going to grab one right now to show you what a standard variety of nozzles. We have them out of brass and out of nickel-plated steel and out of stainless steel. So we would pick a stainless steel item. You can put an O-ring right here if you need to. You can also put Teflon tape around this if you need to. And then we screw this in. There we go. And you'll see, there you go. It's ready for action. If you need to heat the material, but you don't want to heat the mixing chamber, so you want to accelerate the reaction by heating it just at the point of use, we actually make a second heater you can purchase. And like this. You can see the nozzle is embedded there. And so this clamps right around this cylinder, the exit cylinder, and heats only the tip. It leaves the main body not very hot. There's this very thin wall in this recess here, so you don't conduct very much heat up. And that's programmable using M104 command, and set the temperature any way you want. This actually plugs into a second head and controls it, a second head slot. All right, it goes over there. I think that's everything we need to show how to disassemble it. So now I'm going to put it back together. Reassembling. So we make sure the seal is clean and not cut up. Looks good from here. Side. Then we're going to insert the spacer. Goes all the way down. Take my thread out. The spacer also centers this, so it's very important that we have it. And this goes down, and that's your assembly there. Now, being very careful, we insert this inside here, lock it into the seal, and we do not force it there. You can feel when it goes into the seal, you'll feel that smooth bore holding against the seal. Now this is ready for insertion into the system, or into the mixing head. So now we're going to come here. This tightens and loosens it. We're going to drop this in like this. And I like to put this where I can get access to everything so that they're evenly coming out. That's now locked in place, so it's going to be held down. That goes over that. You're ready now to put this in your printer and start using it for mixing. There you go.